Today we're in the studio creating a new work entitled Bird Watching. It's a commission by the Jerome Robbins Foundation, and we will be premiering it the week of March 16th to the 21st at the Joyce Theater. When we originally received the commission to make this new work, there was sort of a very loose guideline of making it about nature, and I've always had a fascination with birds. And I liked the voyeuristic quality of watching birds and also watching human nature. And I've always been interested in working with juxtapositions, and the juxtaposition here of animal behavior versus nature. And the other juxtaposition I like playing with is pedestrian, sort of everyday vocabulary versus a very technical dance vocabulary. We're exploring ideas of modeling and posing and sort of a superficial retro Sears catalog type of posing. The process that we're working with is like creative assignments. We create a really great playful energy in the room, and then I give assignments to the dancers, like I need a phrase that represents an awkward relationship, and they go to work. And then my job is shaping it and fine-tuning it and giving them the tools to develop it further. In the beginning of making a new dance, I rely very heavily on the dancers for inspiration and motivation. So they're an integral part of making the material. And I like to think of the whole creative process as creating a dress or a suit, and the dancers are helping develop and shape the material and the textures and the color. And then I ultimately sew it together and design the dress. So right now it's really a lot of the responsibility and the creative play is up to the dancers.
Go!